we're doing baking today and we are going to make
Victoria Sponge!
Victoria Sponge! Woohoo! The girls wanted to bake some cakes today and they wanted to do a video. So we're going to show off our baking skills, aren't we? Yeah? Let's get started. First things first, we need to cream the butter and the sugar. Can you find the butter and the sugar, really? And Grace, you find the sugar? Nice. Right, we're going to pop that in the mixer. Yeah, tip it into the bowl. So, no, Grace, you're going to put the sugar in the bowl.
How many?
All of it. Put it on a slow speed at first, and then we're going to whiz it up really fast. Are you ready? So we've creamed the butter and the sugar till it's all pale and fluffy. Do you think it looks pale and fluffy?
Yes, we do.
Good. Now we are going to put in the eggs.
Can I do it?
Definitely.
Can I do it?
Definitely. And then we're going to put the mess in there for me, okay? So you're going to break it, tap it on the bowl. Put your thumbs in. Fantastic. Look at that, no shell. So now we are going to beat the eggs. Best to beat with a whisk. Yeah, do you want to have a go first? So when that's stirring, when we beat, you go fast. Good job. It goes in your eyes. Vanilla extract, a little bit into the eggs. And put them into our butter and sugar mixture. Okay? Now what we're going to do is add our flour.
Yeah.
So we're going to sieve it in. Are you going to hold it? Okay.
It's like it's snowing.
It gets all the lumps out. Okay. Now the flour is all sifted in to the batter. And I'm just going to fold it in a little bit. And then I'm going to let the mixer do the rest. Googly, that's a good word. Googly.
Now, let's do it.
So we put this down. Okay. I'm going to turn up the speed. And I'm just going to add a little bit of milk. Just to loosen it a little bit. Oh, that's looking beautiful.
Beautiful.
Now I'm going to just do a quick whiz. Are you ready? Is it loud? It's not time to lick it yet. I know, it's the best bit. Smell it. So we've got it to a soft dropping consistency. It's that kind of blob. Another good word from you, Grace. Right, now we've got two 7-inch sandwich tins. We've got some fancy liners, so we don't have to worry about greasing. And we're just going to divide it. I'm going to put the same amount in this one. Then I'm going to tap it. Another tap. And these are going to go into a
oven. The cake is in the oven.
So we're going to make banana muffins with cinnamon.
We don't push our face and hands out.
Yeah, after licking the bowl, you were a mess, weren't you?
I've got some on my nose. I didn't have any. I just licked the bowl with a spoon and it didn't have any.
She didn't waste any of it on her face.
And let's go one on my nose.
So, just the same as the sponge, we are going to start by creaming the sugar and butter.
There's not much butter.
No, we don't need much butter for this one because we've got bananas in it as well. Okay? So do you want to put the butter in there? Oh! There we go. Blob.
All of it.
All of it.
There you go.
Mixing.
Show
a bit worried it's not gonna mix in properly?
No.
Okay. I haven't got a fancy KitchenAid where it's got a scraper on the side. Mine's an old school.
Yeah.
Old school.
Very old.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And turn it on. Move it this way. Good girl.
Okay.
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 So this recipe only needs 2 eggs. Oh, oh, he's exploded. That's it. The vanilla in the eggs again. So now we're going to add the bananas. Right, so we're going to squish the bananas with our fork. Put the egg mixture, okay, bananas in. Beautiful, look how fine that is. Now add some bicarbonate of soda to make the muffins rise. And put a bit of baking powder in there. Cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Now we're going to put that all back under the mixer. Yeah, you can turn it on for me. I'm going to add some buttermilk. I don't have any buttermilk, so if you add lemon juice to milk, you get kind of the alternative. Just a little bit and just see how it gets on. And stop. So we've got that soft dropping consistency again, and then we're going to divide it into cake cases. Can you help me do this, girls?
Yes, please.
So we're going to do a big spoon of batter, put it over the case, and then scrape it off, okay? So a big spoon of batter, no, bigger than that. That's it. Over the case. Okay, so do a big spoon, put it over the case, and then use this spoon to scrape down.
Get a massive one, like a toilet.
Fantastic. Put it over the case. So those are all filled. We're going to do our little tap again. Go in a preheated oven, and then I'm going to go check on those Victoria sponges. So while the cake's cooling, I'm just going to have a go at starting off the buttercream. So I've got 200 grams of butter. I put it in the mixer. And I'm going to let it beat for as long as I can. It should go really pale. And I'm adding 100 grams of icing sugar at a time until I get to 400. 100 grams of sugar at a time, otherwise it's just a mess, cloud of sugar. And this is the last 100 grams going in. It's made quite a hard buttercream, which I want to keep a little bit aside for piping on the Victoria sponge. I'm just putting some of this hard buttercream into a piping bag. The rest is going to go back in the mixer, and I want to loosen that up, ready to go on the banana muffins. I like quite a fluffy sort of frosting style, so I tend to put a bit of milk. I'm going to beat it for as long as I can, and it's going to get fluffy and it's going to be light and airy. You can see how white it is. That's probably the best time to add your food colouring if you're going to, because you're going to get a really bright colour. I'm going to put this cream and sugar mix.
It's up, it does. Oh, look at it. It's just
I'm going to keep that back. Right, so we're going to put some honeycomb pieces on top for a bit of crunch. We're going to go onto the cake stand.
Yummy.
And those are our banana cinnamon muffins with buttercream and a honeycomb topping.